Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To those who are new, my name is Ellie. I do lifestyle, motherhood, and beauty videos on my channel. I would love for you to be part of my family here on YouTube, so please subscribe. Today we will be doing a BOXYCHARM review, which is what I have right here in this box. This is actually the February box. It is pretty much skincare. So let's just get right into the video. I actually did try some of the products in here, which I will be reviewing. This box is pretty much a skincare box. There are some like makeup products in there, but like very minimal. So let me show you what it is I got. Let me start with the skincare. Alright, so the first one that I tried is actually this one. It is the Skin&Co Roma Triple Therapy Phase Gommage. That's the actual name for it, but it's pretty much a like exfoliating cream. It's kind of like the one that I had reviewed for ColourPop, that you just apply it on your face, you let it sink in for several minutes, and then you just take it out with your face towel, and it's supposed to like hydrate your face. And I actually tried this for like 2 weeks. I stopped using the other one so I could try this one out. And you apply this one 2 to 3 times a week depending on how your face is. I think it actually works. It is pretty great. Like, it's keeping my face moisturized and hydrated. It smells so nice. The texture is really lightweight. This product cost $28 and it came into in this BOXYCHARM. I did get this BOXYCHARM for $25 in case you were wondering. In total, like with tax and everything, was probably like $26 with some change. They actually send you as well this little info card that has like all the information of it and the pricing of every product. So it's really good. The next product I actually tried was this one. Let me take it out of its packaging. I've probably used this twice, so let me show you. So I've used this, and it is the Dr. Brandt's Skincare 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. I hope I'm saying Retinol right, but that this is what that is. You actually apply it. I had to look up how to apply it because it did not say on this little tube thing, and it did not say it either in this little paper. But I did look it up, and you're supposed to apply a little bit under your eye and like work from the out towards the inside. It's like an anti-age fighting cream pretty much. I don't think I need this, or like I feel like I don't need it right now, but I did want to try it out, and honestly I could not tell the difference just because I feel like I don't need it. But it is really lightweight, and then I did see the reviews. Many people said that it was like overpriced for what it actually does. So honestly, this retails for like $55, this small little thing. The next one I actually did not try and I got is this. This is actually an Avant Skincare 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. This is the one that I didn't try just because I'm the type of person that twists and turns when I sleep. And so honestly, I would not know if this works or not. But I do want to try it out just because I do like putting on face masks. And you're supposed to put it while you sleep for 8 hours. I guess it's supposed to keep like your face feeling youthful and beautiful. It's supposed to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. And this actually retails for $107. And the next one that I actually tried is this baby right here. This is actually mascara, the Grande Cosmetics Intense Thickening Mascara. This retails for $25 and it has castor oil in it. This one, I feel like it really like made my eyelashes look thicker and fuller. I really loved it. The next item I actually got is this little baby right here. It's the Too Faced Cosmetics Diamond Light Highlighter. So it comes in like this little packaging. I don't know, like I don't really buy like brand things, but this is how it looks. I thought it was super cute. It has like this little button, and that's the highlighter. It's actually what I'm wearing right now as a highlighter. Retails for $36. Let me do a close-up so you guys can see my highlighter. So that's how it looks. A little does go a long way. I like my highlight to be really like out there, so I did have to do a few times and put it on. But this is super cute. So last but by no means least, it is this baby right here. Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette. and then those are the colors that are actually on the palette. I actually have tested this whole palette out, every single shade I am in love with. At first I was like, I don't know, it kind of seems like out there, so I wasn't sure like exactly if I wanted to use this or how to do it. But I went on Instagram, I looked some pictures, and I'm like, you know what, I got inspired and I did my own kind of look. Today I'm actually using this palette. Like everything that you're seeing for my eyeshadow is this palette. I actually used emerald, black, and cinnamon, as along with gold and cream. So I used this one, well, these four, and then I used this one. These eyeshadows are very pigmented. I feel like they're beautiful. They're just so easy to work with. Yeah, this one I was really happy about, and I know it was like not expensive either, probably like the 20s. But yes, this was like definitely, I was really happy to get this, and I was so glad because I love working with eyeshadows. So this was amazing for an eyeshadow palette. So that was it for this month's BOXYCHARM. I really liked the things that were in here, especially since I started doing my skincare routine. So it was pretty crazy that they actually did this month for skincare. So I feel like if you have not yet tried like BOXYCHARM at all, you should definitely give it a go. It is $25, and I feel like the products that they put in here are so worth it. I thought, I don't know, like most of these things I really enjoyed. I was so happy with my BOXYCHARM for this month. If anything, I'll leave the link down below so you can go ahead and check it out if you like. I am not affiliated with any of the links down below, as well as this video is not sponsored. Just wanted to put that out there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever it is I upload new videos. Don't forget to comment down below if you want to see any certain kind of videos, you want me to review something. I'm open for any suggestions that have to do with beauty related videos. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I do go on there and I upload pictures and like let you know if like I'm uploading the video today or not, just because my work schedule is kind of like wonky, so it's all over the place. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.